1996 Buick Roadmaster Limited Collector's Edition sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Best of all, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated on this vehicle. And it's been in the same family since new. Actual mile car at 109,931. 5.7 liter LT1 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heater blows hot. Take a good look at that grille. Still retains the collector edition hood ornament. Paint code 77, so dark cherry metallic. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on the correct Roadmaster wheels. Now, as far as paint, it appears to be original paint from what I have seen on the majority of this car. So there's a few spots. I mean, you're going to have your little itty-bitty pebble chips or rock chip. There may be a scuff here or there. But overall, it's a 96, coming up on 30 years old now. And this car looks very nice for its age. Adult owned and driven, well maintained. And once again, it's been in the same family since it was new. As you can look up and down this passenger side, it's not full of scratches, rust in the lower rockers. You might have a little imperfection or maybe just a little ding here or there. But again, this car's got a lot of life left in it. And if you've ever ridden in one of these, you know how nice they go down the road. They don't make them like this. There's no doubt about that anymore. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the partial vinyl roof, also in nice shape. Sorry about the noise in the background a little bit earlier there. They are busy vacuuming, detailing, and cleaning cars in the other half of this building, getting them ready to be listed. This will be our busy time of the season coming up. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. If you like these Buicks or maybe just like these luxury sedans, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that you can do online right off our showroom floor. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. So the leather interior on the Limited, and it's kind of the dark maple burgundy. Looks great on this car. Of course, dual power seats, passenger and driver side, and then of course your power windows, power locks, power mirror. This particular one also, you're gonna have heated seats, lumbar, a little wear on the seats, in and out, but still, like I said, a lot of life left in this car. Very comfortable seats, tilt column, AM FM cassette CD player, and I did have that radio working a little earlier. Exact miles, if you can see over there, you can really see it. It's 109,931. If I can get you to see that on the camera or not, sorry about that. But you will be able to see it in the still pictures. It is 109,931. A little bit of glare. Let's fire up that LT1 power. Top of the dash. Looking good. Like I said, radio working fine. Would have electronic climate control. No service engine soon, check engine light, anything like that. That is all off. Looks good. How about headliner? Headliner intact. Also looks good. Slip around to the back seat and hear this run. Sounds as you'd expect. Again, 5.7 liter V8 power. Let me go ahead and pause this just real quick. I want to pop this hood. We're going to check out that engine bay. We'll wrap up this little walk around video. And if you stick around to the very end, Jason will take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. Technician did note a few of your just normal minor seats as far as under the drivetrain. Also noted newer battery, newer mufflers, and it's one of those cars. Get in it, turn the key, go. AC blowing cold. Once again, power steering, power brakes, of course, fuel injected. Smooth runner, good looking engine bay. Same family since new, 1996 Buick Roadmaster Limited Collector's Edition Sedan. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1996 Buick Roadmaster, full-size four-door car from Buick. It's an automatic on the column with V8 power. Very nice interior condition and a good color too. What you call that, wine maybe? Acceleration is good. Temperature is a quarter of the way up the gauge. The fuel gauges are pegged at full, and the rest would be warning lights. Stereo's working well.
And I hope when I get old I don't sit around thinking about it, but I probably will.
I had to leave that in there. Once they start saying the line sometimes. Another good song. The sound is good in this car. Cruise control functioning as it should. The horn also working. The blower motor is blowing and the wipers work on this car. Brakes nice and smooth. A luxurious ride from this full-size Buick. Yet there's a lot of power there and it handles well. Similar underpinnings to what would be an Impala or Caprice, which they use for police cars, so you know you're getting quality. Very easy to drive, very comfortable, good condition. 1996 Buick Roadmaster. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.